long hair and lanky fellow. Stand where you are sitting. Teacher, enter. No notice. Full insulting. Your father manners this? Sir, खासमा कुरा के भने नि. Speak in English. This is English coaching, not on local language.
Wow.
Sir, actually truck was that key. Who will stop? Sorry, sir. Sorry, go baby. You together thinking English speaking like rice plate eating? No, never. Huh? Not. English speaking not a children play. English speaking like Undertaker play. Dharra create.
Wow.
Dharra create? Yes. Again time is. Careful you. Again do this next time. So touch the fingerprint. You check it. So big red. Understand? Yes, sir. Stand up.